Loving your dogs, tips and tricks. Dogs are known for being great pets because they're loyal and friendly. However, if you don't know how to properly care for a dog, they could be trouble. If you're wondering what you can do to be sure your dog is being cared for properly, read over this video carefully. Take care to keep your dog cool while traveling during the summer by car. Even with your air conditioning on, the dog may become overheated in his pet carrier. A simple and low-cost countermeasure is freezing a few gallon jugs of water and placing them near him where he can curl up and cool off. If your dog spends a lot of time outdoors, he needs a dog house. If his feet are wet, extreme temperatures can be stressful and bad for his health. Keep your dog safe from precipitation and winds by providing him with a place that is spacious, with a dry floor. Although the sound may be cute, your dog's nails shouldn't click along the floor when it walks. That's a sign that the nails are too long. The nail should actually just barely touch the ground. Seek the advice of a professional on what tools are the best for giving your dog a pedicure. You may be tempted to use your favorite hair shampoo on your dog, but this should not be done. Human shampoo can cause dog skin to dry out. Instead, find a quality shampoo that is made for dogs. When you bath your dog, make sure to rinse all of the residue out of his fur. A dog is a living and breathing member of the family, and it needs to be treated right. With the tips and tricks you have just read, you should be in a position to properly care for your pet. Just take your time and be sure you see a vet if there are any emergencies. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.